So, my dear friends, join our channel membership to get direct notifications in the community tab. So, guys, these are the vacancy from Madras Pharma. So, guys, the positions are for the departments: raw material stores, RM stores, or PM stores, analytical research and department, technology transfer departments. So, coming to the qualification for our raw material stores, any degree and junior executive also there in that stores, any degree is enough. And for junior research associate and senior research associate in AR&D department, so Bpharm, Mpharm, MSc degree is required, and a PG, Mpharm PG, and 2 to 5 years of experience is required for this. And coming to the executive or senior executive technology transfer department, Bpharm or Mpharma with 4 to 8 years of relevant experience. For faster updates, join our channel membership, my dear friends. The venue of the interview is the Madras Pharmaceuticals, OMR, Rajiv Gandhi, Chennai.